Good morning, everyone. Last day we have learned about the similarity of the triangle. Similarity means look alike, and there were certain criteria for similarity of triangles. The triangle similarities having the criteria AA or AAA or AA. Second is actually SSS. Third is SAS. Fourth is RHS, but very rarely we used to do RHS because none of the question from the textbook is given related to RHS. Only certain hint is given at last. Now, what you to do? I'll make some diagram and you to find out whether the triangles are similar, and if they are similar, why they are similar, and name of the triangle which is similar to the given triangle. The first diagram which is given is, we are starting the exercise 6.3, question number 1, and it has certain parts. The triangles where ABC and PQR. The measurement of A, B, and C are given 60, 80, and 40. A is given 60, B is given 80, and this is given as 40. Same way, this is given 60, 80, and 40. Our aim is to show the triangle similar, and if they are similar, why they are similar, which property. Even we do name the triangle which is similar. We cannot directly say ABC is similar to PQR or PRQ or QRP or some other triangle. With reason we have to do. We have to see the figure, name the angles which are equal, and use the property whichever is possible to show. In triangle ABC and PQR, we observe A and P both are 60 degree. A and P both are 60 degree. B and Q both are 80 degree. And C and R both are 40 degree. We got three angles of first triangle are equal respectively to the three angles of another triangle. The triangles will be similar. Our name of the property by which the triangles are similar is AAA. Because we got three angles of first triangle. Three angles of first triangle are respectively equal to the three angles of another triangle. Therefore, triangles are similar. Now, naming the triangle ABC, the first triangle you can write in any order. It is not just to write ABC. If you want to write BAC, if you want to write BCA. First triangle you can write in any order. ABC, CBA, CAB, BAC, anything you can write. But naming of second triangle should be written properly. We know that A is in correspondence with P. A and P are equal to 80 degrees. Therefore, in place of A and A, we should write P. A is written in the beginning, therefore that is replaced by P. Second is B, and B is in correspondence with Q. Therefore, B should be replaced by Q. Therefore, in center value will be written as Q. C is equal to R. If C and R are equal, therefore in place of C we should write as R. The triangles are similar. Reason you to write by which property the triangles are similar, and AAA is the criteria of similarity of the triangle. Therefore, the two triangles we got similar. This is the first question we have done. First question, first part. We have shown the triangles similar by AAA. To prove the second one, to do the next one, we see the next one. This is the first question, first part. We'll do the second question, first question, second part. A triangle is given. It is observed to be that triangle. If again. I'll write the name of the triangle ABC. Measurement of ABBC are given 2, 3 and 2.5. And a bigger triangle is given. This is PRQ. This is given as 4, 5 and 6. Now measurement of some of the sides of the triangles are given. We have to check whether the triangles are similar. This time none of the angle is given. Only we got the sides. We try to find out the ratio of the side and we find out which side is in proportion with which side. We observe AB upon AB is 2 centimeter. On this side we got QR as 4 centimeter. AB upon QR we got 2 upon 4 which is equal to 1 by 2. After cancellation we got 1 by 2. AB and QR we got 1 by 2. Now we take BC upon PR. This is 2.5 and the other side we got 5. That is also 1 by 2. We got AC upon PQ. AC is 3 and PQ is 6. That is also 1 by 2. We got AB upon QR, BC upon PR and AC upon PQ. All of them are in proportion. We can write AB upon PQ is 1 by 2 as well as BC upon PR is also 1 by 2. AC upon PR is also 1 by 2. All the ratios are 1 by 2. Therefore, the triangles will be similar because the ratio of all the 3 sides of one triangle are in proportion with 3 sides of another triangle, and the property which I use is SSS, side, side, side. Ratio of the sides are same, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Triangles are similar, you understood. But naming of the triangle is important. ABC directly we cannot write similar to PQR. If you are writing directly, it will be wrong. You have to write the proper name of the triangle. How to write the proper name of the triangle? For that, we take a pair of sides which are in proportion. Choose these two. It is not necessary to take first and second. If you want, you can take second and third, first and third. It is up to you. Now after that, we cancel whichever is possible to cancel. We observe this B is common in both. Therefore, we cancel this B point. Already we did last time I had explained. Therefore, I think you have understood that. B is common in these two. We have cancelled B and B. And in denominator, we got P is common. We have cancelled P. Whichever is common in the first two ratios, cancel it from numerator and denominator because we are going to name the triangle which is similar to ABC. Now, first we have written A. ABC we have written over here. A is in correspondence with Q because A is not cancelled in numerator and in denominator which is not cancelled, Q. Therefore, A should be replaced by Q. In place of A, we will write Q. A was given in the beginning and A was not cancelled in the numerator there, and from denominator Q was not cancelled. Therefore, from denominator side we are taking Q in place of A. Next, B is cancelled from both. B is cancelled. Which is cancelled in denominator? P. Therefore, in place of B, we should write P. Now we see the third part. Third is C. C should be replaced by R because C is not cancelled here and R is not cancelled here. Therefore, the two triangles are similar. Name the property by which the triangles are similar, that is SSS. Expecting you understood in what way we had shown the triangle similar. Main thing is to find out the ratio of two of the sides. Whichever is possible to cancel in the first two ratios, cancel it. And replace one by one. A should be replaced by Q because A is not cancelled in the numerator, Q is not cancelled here. Therefore, A should be replaced by Q, B should be replaced by P because B and P are cancelled. C is not cancelled here, R is not cancelled here. Therefore, C will be replaced by R. Therefore, directly we can write ABC is similar to QPR. It's necessary to write the proper order. Name of the triangle has to be written in proper order. If you are writing ABC similar to PQR, that will be wrong. Because ABC is similar to QPR means when you compare, angle A will be equal to angle Q, angle B will be equal to angle P, and angle C will be equal to angle R. That is known as CPST. That we'll do while doing the questions of the exercise. Expecting that this part also you understood, we move to the next question now. We are doing the fourth part of it. We are not doing all the questions. Fourth part of the question. All these properties keep in mind. The first three only we are going to use. The fourth is very rare question, as I said. We got a small triangle. Third one we are doing. This is N, 70 degree, 2.5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. And here a bigger triangle, 70 degree, 6 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and this is triangle PQR. We have to say whether the triangles are similar or not. We observe that one of the angle M is equal to one of the angle Q. Okay, M and Q both are equal, each 70 degree. Now, two of the side of the first triangle as well as two of the side of the second triangle are given. We try to find out whether their ratios are same or not. If we are taken Mn upon PQ, which is 2.5 upon 6. After removing 1, we got 60 here. 5 5s are 5 12s are 5 by 12. And ml upon QR, 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. The ratio we haven't got equal. If the ratio would have been 1 by 2, 1 by 2, as well as the angle in between them are equal, we can say the triangle similar by SAS. But here the ratios are not same. Here, Mn upon PQ is not equal to Mn upon QR. Therefore, triangles are not similar. You can just find out whether the triangles are similar or not. Since the ratio we haven't got equal, therefore we don't have to compare. If two of the ratios are not equal, then we don't have to see whether the angles are equal or not. In this case, the angles are equal, but then even we don't have to see that. The two triangles we got similar, we haven't got similar because the ratio is not same. The next one we'll take, this is the fourth part we have done. Now we'll take the fifth one. There is a chance of getting the different questions in your textbook as well as in my book. Let's go through the question properly. Whatever I have got, accordingly I am doing. This is A, B, C, 2.5, 3, 80 degree, and here we got B, E, F, 6 centimeter. 80 degrees and 5 centimeters. The triangles has to be shown similar there. Here AB upon DF is 2.5 upon 5, that is 1 by 2. BC upon EF, that is 3 upon 6, that is also 1 by 2. Angle A equal to angle F, each 90 degree, each 80 degree, sorry. Two of the side AP upon DF equal to BC upon EF given. Both of them are equal to 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Now we have to find out whether the triangles are similar or not. Triangles will be similar if any one of these conditions satisfied. One of the condition is SAS, and in SAS, two sides and the included angle of one triangle should be equal respectively to the two sides and included angle of another triangle. Two sides and included angle, that's important. We got two sides are in the same ratio of the sides we got same. Now we search for the included angle. Included angle means we have to find out between AB and AC. Between AB and AC, we have to find out whether they are. This is AB and BC. These are the sides we have taken, AB and BC, and the angle should be in between them. Okay, the angle should be in between 2.5 and 3 centimeter. Here we got 80 degree, which is not in between AB and BC. Even though this DF and EF, their angle is in between given two sides. But here, the triangles will not be similar. The reason is the angle is not in between the two sides which are taken. If we take AB and BC, then angle B should be equal to angle F. But here we are not getting angle B equal to angle F. Therefore, what do you do? We don't have to show the triangle similar. You write over here, the triangles are not similar. Triangles are not similar. Because for similarity of the triangle, the angle should be in between the two sides, and here we are getting the angle somewhere else. Clear? We will do the one more question, and after that we are leaving this topic. We will move to the next question. Sixth one is, we got a triangle DEF as well as PQR. Measurement of some of the angles are given. I'll write it here. The angles are 70, 80. 70, 80. And here it is 80, 30. We have to find out whether the triangles are similar or not. Only two of the angles are given, and the triangles are similar. If two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. Here we got the angles as 70 and 80, but this angle is not given. We try to find out one of the angles of this triangle. Suppose this is X. Okay? Now in triangle DEF, angle D plus angle E plus angle F equal to 180 degree. This is because of angles of property. Put the value of D as 70, E as 80, and F as X. X equal to 30 degree. We got three angles of the first triangle. Three angles of the first triangles are 70, 80, and X. Here 80, 30, and P is not given. Not this, we could find out the third angle. Now, angle E equal to 70 as well as angle E equal to 80 as well as angle Q is 80. Each 80 degree we got. X we got 30, that means angle F is equal to angle R, each 30 degree. Therefore, triangle DEF will be similar to. Naming of the triangle has to be done accordingly. D we got as 70 degree, and this side we got P as 70 degree. But D should be replaced by P. E is replaced by Q because angle E equal to angle Q, and F is equal to R. Name of the triangle DE property. That's all. Okay. Now we are stopping here itself. Next day we will continue. If you are having any doubt, you can ask. By the time, let me ask some questions from certain other children. Don't go unless I take the attendance. Thank you for your kind cooperation.